This is a test of the audio coming out of my Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen. In the audio clip that I just played, you'll notice that the sound is only coming out of one channel or one side. In the following, I'm going to show you a permanent fix for the microphone audio recording across all applications. We're going to fix this at the operating system level so that all your applications will record your microphone in both channels. To fix your audio so that it records into both channels, you want to first head down to the bottom right of your screen and look for the sound icon and go to sounds. From sounds, you want to go over to the recording tab. So left click on the recording tab, then go down to your recording device. In my case, it's the Focusrite USB audio. So I'm going to left click on that. And then I am going to select properties, left click on properties, and go to advanced. From the default format, you want to select the drop down and select one channel, 24-bit, 192,000 hertz. Left click. Okay, and click apply. Just confirm that you want to continue. Click yes.